Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Knowledge Management System and Development, which comes under the third module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss validation of knowledge. Validation is the process which confirms the rightness and appropriateness of the identified knowledge for framing business strategy and its implementation. If there are errors in knowledge, there will usually be errors in performance of its application system. There are several reasons for knowledge to be incorrect or improper. First one, the experts provide incomplete or incorrect knowledge. Second one, the knowledge team fails to correctly understand or code the expert's knowledge. Third one, the knowledge team may fail to capture all instances of the underlying conditions. There are two kinds of validation required on an identified knowledge: logical and semantic. First one, logical validation. Logical validation checks how the rules and objects work together to reach logical conclusions that all the conclusions of the knowledge can be true at the same time. Logical validation also in the process checks for completeness of knowledge. Logical completeness and consistency are necessary for knowledge to be valid. However, logical completeness and consistency are not sufficient for knowledge validity. Second one, semantic validation. Semantic consistency occurs when all facts, rules and conclusions of knowledge are true for the intended knowledge application. The steps in the validation process of knowledge are: first one, present the knowledge model to outside experts. Second one, collect all questions, comments and objections to knowledge and the model. Third one, make corrections where necessary. Fourth one, verify the knowledge whether it is complete and correct for the intended purpose. Fifth one, give the test of knowledge to the outside expert to validate and to determine the extent of agreement on each of the knowledge elements. And sixth one, check whether knowledge application and source are consistent to each other. Validation through knowledge models. Knowledge models are used as proof of correction of knowledge. Therefore, it is important to validate knowledge models with domain experts. A knowledge model represents the total knowledge identified and coded in the model for further processing. The ability and competence to construct a knowledge model would decide its validation capability. The knowledge elements required for building knowledge strategy are ready. To convert this knowledge body into a knowledge solution model and to validate it is difficult and challenging. Hence, the organization would build a linear programming model to find the product mix to test and confirm whether the strategy of product maximization would be effective to make a decision on its validity. Next is linear programming model. The linear programming model building exercise requires the knowledge team to collect only those elements of data, information and knowledge which are relevant. The experts, internal as well as external, have confirmed that linear programming model would confirm the validation of knowledge and the model confirming the business strategy of that product mix which maximizes the profit goal of the organization. The linear programming model in its final form is a knowledge product of the organization. There are several ways to ensure that the linear programming knowledge model is valid as a testing model. The validation process of the knowledge model. In validating the knowledge model and related knowledge validation activities, it is important to ensure that the experts are from the domain of the expert system. Most technical fields today are too big and complex to be mastered in their entirety by a single expert or even a few experts. Therefore, in critical applications, it is important to validate every part of the knowledge base with experts in that particular specialty. In this lecture, we have discussed the validation of knowledge. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.